So I did do some spring planting of different lettuces and a bunch of different greens, and we'll see how they come up in the Hugelculture. I'm planting peas on the side yard with homemade tripods and beans in a lightly raised area. For some soil, I will put actually the cucumbers in the same location once the peas kind of die off. So yeah, that's the plan. I have spinach, kale, romaine, arugula, butter crunch, all a bunch of different lettuces planted in the Hugelculture. I have a feeling that the soil will shift, obviously with the rain and things like that. Hopefully the plants start to grow before we get a heavy rainfall. I'm gonna water things in lightly and we'll see what happens. Again, this is just a test. I'm learning as I go, so I will keep you updated. Things will be growing here in the next probably 10 days or so, depending on the temperatures. We're seeing the first signs of spring. It was even nice to be out on the kayaks for the first time. We're excited to see spring.